What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, something came across my desk, right? That's super interesting because I've always been interested in mining. I just never wanted to spend the money on these, expensive rigs, right? If you're trying to mine Bitcoin, it's super expensive to try and find a way to mine one Bitcoin, right? You look at the Bitcoin miners and how much computing power they have and how much they spent on it, and honestly, how much they spend per month on those. It's just a lot. So knowing that you have to spend it on a product, mining was out the window. And I think people always brought to the table that if there's some way that's a convenient way to mine, they would look to do that, right? And I think we finally have that answer. Tari is going to answer that for us, and it seems like they're doing a good job so far that people are utilizing what they have to offer. Literally turn any computer that you own into a money machine, into a mining rig in a way. So we're going to go through this project. We're going to go through everything they have to offer. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I will provide all of the links for Tari down below. Whatever links you think you need, I will provide those. The website, the chart, the Twitter account, all of those things, so that you guys can get all the information that you need in order to make your decision on whether you're going to, download and start earning Tari today, or finding ways to own it more than just mining it. Whatever you wanted to do, feel free to check out all of those links in the description. Now, let's first start with the Twitter account, because I like to start where you have the level of popularity. I've always said that popularity, or growth and utility without popularity, means that you have nothing. And the fact that they have popularity, you have 336,000 followers, shows that they do have that level of popularity to propel them forward and get more and more people that are interested in this. And this is something that sold me on it from the gate, right? You see the level of communication, you see the level of growth, you see that you can reach out, and the openness of them. So it definitely brings them up to a top tier cryptocurrency project, even without really going into the utility there. So feel free to check out their Twitter account. They have a lot. You can ask questions. They have a lot of answers to questions without even having to ask them. So feel free to go ahead and check that out. But if we want to know what Tari is, right? Tari is a way to turn your computer into a money machine. Put your computer to work earning TAR, XTM, revolutionary new cryptocurrency. Tari is fast, safe, and so easy to use that your grandma can do it. You can download Tari Universe today on Windows, Apple, and all you have to do is click into it. It downloads it, and then you can get updates as well, and you can select whatever you want: Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever. You can download that, start mining today. But let's go through more information before you guys decide to make that decision. Run Tari Universe, earn Tari XTM. Our Tari Universe mining application is stunningly beautiful, safe, and easy to use. When it's running, you're helping to secure the Tari network. This is no free lunch. You'll earn XTM tokens for your computer's hard work. If we scroll down here, you can see basically a little bit of a breakdown of exactly what it is, right? You can start mining. You can pause it if you want. GPU utilization, you have CPU utilization, you have estimated earnings that you will end up getting per 24 hours. And basically you're mining here, and as you go through that, you can mine 1.4, 1.5 XTM in that situation. The point is that you're mining very, very easily with just your computer, utilizing your assets that you have now without having to purchase any new assets. That's what's interesting, right? You see somebody mining in a bio lecture, right? Mining at home with their own computer, mining here with their laptop, and how much they're able to gain, right? Tari is a new financial system built to empower builders and creators. It's open source, beautifully simple, and keeps you safe. Tari is a revolutionary blockchain protocol powered by you. Proof of work. Default confidential. And for the first time, easy to use. Tari Universe puts all power of Tari in your hands. Again, you can start today. So they have a lot of questions that you guys can go through. What's the catch? If there is any catch, there is no catch. You just run the app and start earning. The Tari mission is to the next generation financial system accessible to everyone. Is it safe? Yes, Tari is developed by a talent group of technologists and designers with a unique vision for the future of money. The Tari Universe and all software associated with the Tari protocol is open source, meaning anyone can inspect and use the source code. If it doesn't access your files or put you in control of how much computational power you want to use. So it is safe. There's no catch. What is Tari Universe? We did kind of explain that as we go through, but let's see if they have some other explanation to it. Tari Universe is beautifully simple app for mining Tari on Mac or PC. Tari Universe turns your computer into a money machine. It works by harnessing your computer's computational power to solve blocks on the Tari network. In doing so, you're helping to secure the Tari network while earning Tari tokens XTM reward. So this is something that is very, very simple to understand, and it's what we all wanted, right? As you have cryptocurrencies out there that make it very difficult because you have to buy this product, buy this item that may cost 300, 1,000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever you're trying to mine, and however you're trying to get to one of those coins. May cost you literally thousands upon thousands of dollars just to be able to set up a decent rig to mine you something of that. But if you have the ability to just start out with your own computer and utilize it this way, it's convenience. Convenience is on your side. So just to give you a breakdown of Tari token and where that stands, right? XTM is currently sitting at 1.3 cents, $16 million market cap with 1.23 billion coins in supply. The max supply is unlimited, but we do have a total supply right now of 1.23 billion coins. And obviously, as you have more miners and all of that, you're going to see more growth. Right now, I mean, you still see it at beginning stages, right? $16 million market cap could be, a lot more, right? You could see growth in that, and you could see long-term aspects with that, right? It's not just about the growth in this price and what you own. It's about continually owning more and more XTM, right? As you're just mining very simply, right? It's not something where you're like, hey, this is a get rich quick type of thing. This is a long-term, hey, I'm mining and continuing to mine, continuing to build, compounding as we move along, looking at it like it's an ETF rather than a short squeeze opportunity. This is the difference that you have when it comes to mining. And I was always interested in mining. I never wanted to buy one of those larger rigs or even a smaller rig. I never wanted to buy that. But being able to utilize what I already own is, kind of a no-brainer, right? So let me know what you think about this. I think it's definitely something that you should take a look at. Again, you guys are open to making your own decision. I'm not going to tell you to buy anything that you don't want to buy. All I want you to do is just be open and look at the links that are down below, the website, see if you like it, see the conversation about it, research more than what we researched, right? Go through as much as you can in order to make that decision for yourself, because from everything that I've seen, they are legit. They are, it is simple and it is easy to use, and it's also safe. So feel free to check that out. Links are in the description. Also, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below and let me know what you think about it. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.